What happens when the quiet warmth of Scandinavian design meets the raw beauty of the desert? Something unexpected happens. Clean lines soften. Sunlight becomes part of the architecture. Natural textures begin to feel richer. And a home designed for simplicity suddenly feels deeply connected to the landscape. Welcome to LUMACASA Studio, where today we discover how two very different worlds can create one extraordinary home. The first lesson begins outside the front door. Instead of fighting the desert, this home embraces it. Warm sand tones, pale wood, natural stone, and soft beige walls echo the surrounding landscape. Scandinavian design teaches us to keep materials honest and uncomplicated. In a desert setting, that simplicity becomes even more powerful, allowing the architecture to feel like a quiet extension of nature rather than something placed upon it. Inside, the living room feels calm rather than cold. A soft linen sofa, light oak furniture, woven textures, and a muted earth tone palette create layers of warmth beneath the desert sunlight. The decorating secret is contrast without clutter. Pair smooth surfaces with natural fibers, then add one or two sculptural pieces for character. The result is a room that feels sophisticated, comfortable, and effortlessly timeless. Here, the windows become more than sources of light. They become living artwork. Large openings frame distant mountains, golden sand, and changing skies, allowing the landscape to become part of the interior. Scandinavian interiors often celebrate natural light, but in the desert, controlling that light is essential. Use sheer curtains, deep overhangs, and carefully positioned shades to create brightness without overwhelming the room. kitchen brings another layer of Scandinavian simplicity. Lightwood cabinetry meets creamy stone countertops, while open shelving displays handmade ceramics and everyday essentials. Nothing feels excessive, and that is the beauty of thoughtful design. Keep frequently used objects within reach, but limit visual clutter. In a warm desert climate, natural materials also help create a cooler, more grounded feeling, perfect for slow breakfasts and long conversations. The bedroom becomes a sanctuary of quiet. Soft linen bedding, textured blankets, pale timber, and warm plaster walls create a gentle cocoon after a long day beneath the desert sun. Instead of relying on bold decoration, layer different textures in similar tones. This creates depth while preserving tranquility. A simple pendant light, a handcrafted bench, and a view toward the landscape are enough to make the room feel beautifully complete. Even in an arid landscape, nature can live beautifully indoors. Drought-tolerant plants, sculptural branches, stone accessories, and natural wood bring organic character into the home. Choose plants according to the climate rather than simply choosing them for appearance. This is where Scandinavian and desert design share a philosophy. Bring only what is meaningful. Every plant, texture, and object should contribute to a sense of calm and connection. Perhaps the most important lesson is that beautiful design should also make everyday life easier. Deep shaded patios extend the living space outdoors. Built-in storage keeps rooms peaceful. Ceiling fans and thoughtful ventilation improve comfort, while thick walls and strategic glazing help manage the desert heat. Scandinavian design reminds us that luxury is not about excess. Sometimes, true luxury is simply a home that understands how you want to live. perhaps that is what makes this home so unforgettable. Scandinavian design brings simplicity, warmth, and intention. The desert brings sunlight, texture, silence, and a powerful sense of place. Together, they create something more than a beautiful house. They create a feeling. A place where mornings feel slower, evenings feel warmer, and every room tells a quiet story. If this home inspired you, stay with LUMACASA Studio for more beautiful ideas where architecture, nature, and everyday living come together. Sometimes, the most extraordinary homes are the ones that simply feel like they belong.